So good morning everyone and welcome to Moto Explorers 555. Today is Thursday the 26th of June and it's the first day of the ABR which I'm attending with my brother for the fourth consecutive year. I just thought quickly to show you a couple of the things that I got ready to go on the bike. I'm just about to load it, but perhaps you may find useful to check what sort of equipment I carry. To be fair, it's a bit too much because I like to be in comfort, but yeah, just to take you through briefly. So here I have one of my panniers. This is the larger pannier, and in here I have my sandals and shoes, a little mat which is to have on the tent, all my cooking equipment in there. At the back there is a little pack with my power banks and cables, and here on this blue pack here are my toiletries. So pretty much simple. The other one here has my towels. I got my sleeping my pillow there. I got my Gore-Tex to put in my jacket just in case it rains, speaker, gloves for the off-road section, my lamp, and underneath I have the chair and the table for the tent. And then I got this big bag that goes at the back of the bike where I have my sleeping bag, my tent, and my clothing to change on the days that I will be there. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to start loading the bike and I'll show you a video once everything is in the bike. So you can see now I have the bike loaded. I got two front small Lomo bags, which is where I carry the first aid kit, some tools, and my spare inner tubes for front and back. Unfortunately, the Africa Twin is a tube motorcycle. Yeah, so you can see the two panniers at the back and the bag in the back seat, and then of course I got my top box at the back where I'll put my helmet and things like that. So almost ready to go.